Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Welcome back to our last exercise for Unit 5. And this is the last unit for Form 1 English Language. Okay, turn to page 60. It's about writing skills and opinion essay. So you will learn how to write an essay about how to express your opinion. Either you agree or disagree with the statement given. For examples, you will read and listen to this essay. It's about, will people ever live on the moon? Adakah manusia akan hidup di bulan? So you can give the support idea to support this statement, or maybe you disagree with this statement, then you can have another reason why do you disagree with this statement. So let's listen to the audio 2.23 about this article.
Unit 5. Writing. An opinion essay. Exercise 1.
Will people ever live on the moon? Many people like the idea of going on holiday to the moon. But will anyone actually live there in the future? Scientists have different opinions on this subject. On the one hand, the number of people on Earth is growing and we are destroying our natural environment. If we aren't careful, one day we won't have any food or energy. If this happens, we will need to find a new place to live. On the other hand, the moon isn't a very comfortable place for human beings. There isn't any air or water, and the temperature is too hot or too cold. Maybe we will be able to improve conditions on the moon, but it will be very difficult. In conclusion, I don't think people will ever live on the moon. In my opinion, the Earth is a better place for human beings.
Okay, that's a very simple essay about how to express your opinion about the statement or the title given. So, let's look to the notes here. In question 2, look at the writing focus. How do you say on the one hand and on the other hand in your language? So on the one hand, okay, dalam bahasa Melayu mungkin kita sebut dia pada satu pihak atau pada aspek yang lain, pada satu aspek, and on the other hand ni kalau dalam bahasa Melayu mungkin pada aspek yang lain. Okay, so we can use on the one hand and on the other hand to express different reasons. Either you agree or disagree with this statement. Okay, for example, in an opinion essay, we can make the two possible opinions clear with the phrases on the one hand and on the other hand. We often use them at the beginning of the paragraph. Okay, dia gunakan pada permulaan sesuatu perkataan paragraph. On the one hand, okay, dia akan ceritakan apa yang dia alasan kenapa dia menyokong tajuk di atas. Dan kemudian dalam the next paragraph, on the other hand, dia akan berikan alasan mengapa dia tidak menyokong pernyataan atau tajuk di atas. So, you have to use on the other hand, on the one hand and on the other hand in your essay later. So, on the other hand, computers are already very intelligent. Ini contoh. On the one hand, computers are already very intelligent. It refers to the title, will computer ever think like human being? Adakah komputer boleh berfikir seperti manusia? So, to support this idea, it start with on the one hand. Computers are already very intelligent. Memang komputer sekarang sudah semakin pintar. On the other hand, pada aspek yang lain pula, they haven't got feeling like human beings. Okay, pada aspek yang lain pula, komputer tidak mempunyai perasaan. Okay, so this one to disagree with the title. So, look for the question 3. Look at the essay again. in which paragraph does the writer give reasons why people probably won't live on the moon? Okay, dalam paragraf di atas, manakah penulis menyatakan bahawa manusia tidak akan hidup di bulan? Okay, if you look carefully, it is in paragraph C. Maybe there isn't any air or water and the temperature is too hot or too cold. Maybe we will be able to improve condition on the moon, but it will be very difficult. So this is to support the reasons why people probably won't live on the moon. Sebab tidak ada udara, tidak ada air di bulan. Okay, number 2. Give reasons why people live on the moon. Give reasons why people live on the moon. So clearly in this paragraph, okay, in paragraph B, the writer give the reasons, the possible reasons why people have to live in the moon, because nowadays Earth is quite polluted, and if we don't careful use all the energy there, okay, maybe we will lose all the energy and have to find out another planet to live on. Okay, so find the suitable paragraph for 3 and 4 in your answers. So maybe you can write down question 3. Okay, number 1 is paragraph C, number 2 is paragraph B, and I leave it for you to answer question 3 and 4. Okay, let's go to the main task here. It's about writing task. Okay, writing task. So look here carefully. So the title should be, will computer ever think like human beings? Okay, the reason to support this statement is yes, maybe they will, because they are already very intelligent. Okay, so maybe you have to find out another reasons why computers ever think like human beings. Okay, you find out the answers through the internet, for example, and then see, no, they probably won't because they don't have feelings. Okay, what are the reasons for number 2 and number 3? So maybe we can brainstorming for this title in the class. Okay, what will computer ever think like human beings? Then after that, you have to come up with an essay by referring to these notes. Okay, tulis satu essay berdasarkan nota yang anda dapat di sini. Okay. So first, decide what your opinion is. Okay, this will be the main point of your conclusion. Okay, after you what do you call that? You give the reasons to support and to unsupport the statement. Then you have to find out your opinions in the conclusion. Either you agree or disagree the statement in your conclusions. So you have to write down 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is your introduction about the computers, and then the 2 middle paragraph is about the opinion reasons, with reasons. Okay, the second paragraph you can use the word on the one hand. Okay, on the one hand, and then for the third paragraph you use the word on the other hand. Okay, to disagree with the statement. And lastly, the last paragraph should be your conclusion. Okay, so let's write an essay. I will show you some of the example of the essay. First, we write the introduction about the title. So that the title should be will computers ever think like human beings? Okay, apakah introduction yang sesuai di sini? Okay, to get the ideas on how to write this essay and to get some of the reasons about the title, maybe you can search through the internet and you can type could a computer think like a human? Okay, could a computer think like a human? Then you can find out this article from the Irish Times. Okay, it's about the artificial intelligence that has been intensively used in developing the computers. Okay, so artificial intelligence can make the computer think, okay, through rules, or we call it algorithm, so that they can produce what do you call that? Produce action based on the algorithms. Okay, so you can use this point as your introduction, but not all of the text can be written in your introduction. Okay, for examples, the development of artificial intelligence is being intensely pursued in several locations in the world. So you can use this word back in your essay with a little bit adjustment. Okay, for examples, the development of artificial intelligence AI is being intensively pursued in several locations in the world. Okay, it's not quite important here. Pursued in several in computers. For example, the development of artificial intelligence, or the short form is AI, is being intensively pursued in several locations in the computer. Okay, in the computer that make it capable of rational thought of the same quality as human rational thought. Okay, ini boleh bagi sebagai introduction. So the development of the intelligence is being intensively pursued in computer that make it capable of rational thought of the same quality as human rational thought. Okay, that make it capable of rational thought for decision making. Okay. So cuba cari idea daripada internet, tetapi tidak menggunakan sepenuhnya ayatnya 100%. Ubahlah sikit-sikit. Okay. So the development of artificial intelligence AI is being intensively pursued in computer that make it capable of rational thought for decision making. Maksudnya dia membolehkan komputer berfikir secara rasional untuk membuat keputusan. Okay, decision making. Okay. Then go back to the article. Many computer experts believe the development of AI is possible. Even inevitable humanists disagree, saying there are fundamental reasons why a machine can never think like human. Okay. So we can take this paragraph and then we can copy it and paste it in your introduction. But as previously, I don't want you to copy 100% from the article, but you can modify it so that it related to our title for this essay. So many computer experts believe the development of AI is possible, but some disagree with that. Many computer experts believe the development of AI is believe the development of AI would make computer more intelligent. But some scientists, for example, disagree. Tidak bersetuju. Disagree because disagree. Many computer experts believe the development of AI could make the computer more intelligent to replace human beings. Okay, human beings. But some of scientists disagree with some reasons, with some fundamentals reason. Okay, that's enough for the introduction. So, ramai pakar komputer berpendapat bahawa pembangunan AI, Artificial Intelligence ini dapat membuatkan komputer lebih bijak untuk menggantikan manusia. But some of the scientists disagree because of some fundamental reasons. Okay, because of some fundamental reasons. Okay, maksudnya ada mereka yang percaya ia boleh menggantikan manusia dan ada sebahagian yang tidak setuju disebabkan beberapa alasan yang alasan yang munasabah lah, fundamental reasons. Okay, that's the enough for the introductions. Okay, don't forget to what you call that, the paragraph there. Okay, go to the next paragraph. Okay, don't forget to use the word on the one hand. Pada satu aspek, on the one hand, okay, so you use the reasons that we have discussed here, why you support or why you agree with this title. They are already very intelligent. On the one hand, the computers are already very intelligent. Okay, so then you have to elaborate why you say that the computers are already very intelligent. How to get the ideas, how to get the point, you can search from here. Okay, by using the AI. Okay, it makes the computer capable to make decisions through some of the fundamentals and algorithm. So this is some of the example of article about could a computer think like a human. So I will leave for you to complete this essay by your own. Try to search through the internet why the computers are very intelligent. Okay, and don't forget another paragraph. Start with on the other hand. On the other hand, okay, and now you have to use the next idea or the next reason why you disagree with the statement. They don't have feeling. On the other hand, the computer, it itself doesn't have feeling like humans. Okay, doesn't have feelings, or the computer itself, the computers themselves, okay, don't have feeling like humans. Okay, now you elaborate this idea with any additional reasons, okay, by searching through the internet. Cari idea lain yang menyokong pernyataan ini dalam internet anda. Okay. And lastly, you can use the word in conclusions. In conclusions, okay, give your opinion. Either you agree or disagree with the statement. You can use here, in conclusion, I don't think people will live on the moon. So, in conclusion, I believe that, okay, so nyatakan, either you believe that computer can replace human or can think like a human being or not. So, I believe that you can do this essay by doing some research through the internet to get a better reasons why computers are already very intelligent. Some of the reasons is because the use of artificial intelligence make the computer capable to make decision. Itu salah satu dia. Penggunaan AI ini menyebabkan komputer boleh berfikir dan membuat keputusan menggunakan algoritma yang ditetapkan. Okay. Tetapi pada masa yang sama, mereka tidak mempunyai perasaan like human, and that makes computer cannot place or replace human. Okay, cannot replace human being or cannot think like a human because they don't have feeling. So I hope you can do that to complete this task for writing, and I will evaluate your writing skills through this last chapter or last unit for Form 1. Okay, so good luck.